Okay, so this is part 2 of the voice agent. At the start of me working today, I had no idea how I was going to connect this to my website. So I've just been playing around and I think I've managed to do it. So I'm just going to show you what I did. So again, just a reminder, the prompt, which I'll link again, you can see it in a previous video if you want to use it. It's ended up being super simple. One of the testing calls that I did with it, it allowed the customer to book 3 a.m. in the morning, but what I won't restrict it and say that it has to book in that time. I'll just see what happens while it's on the website and see if anything converts and goes through. And yeah, she is super good so far. So she's got one job, and that's just to book book a call. I can always change it. The model that I've gone with is ChatGPT 5 and seems to be working fairly well. I like Charlotte's voice, so I'm using her as the primary. I just sped it up a tad, so I went to the fastest model and I just sped it up because it just felt a little bit slow. It just felt like she wasn't really onto it. And that might just be from the platform or loading or whatever it is. So that's where we've got to so far. And I realized that, where was it? I'll just go back to here. So under branches, when I first tested the agent, it kept going back to this one and it was set for the traffic split of 100%. I'm not sure actually where to get rid of that, but edit deployment. But I've set the Mac experiment to 100% live, and that's Charlotte now. So I found that under branches. And to put it onto my website, I just went over to widget. And to be honest, I didn't actually watch that video, but you probably find it and probably be easy. But I copied this code here, and then I just went over to my website, and on WordPress, I had WP code already there. So it was just a plugin. You can go to plugins and you can add a plugin and just you can search WP code or something like that. Yeah, there it is there. WP code. And you can just use that one, activate it. And then you should have. So if you go to plugins, back to plugins, and then code snippets. You can add loads of things in. I haven't gone for the pro or anything, but just under code snippets, I just went to header and then I pasted that code from ElevenLabs in here and then saved changes. So if we go back to my site, this little box here has appeared. So just show you what it looks like. So
Hello, thank you for calling McCashin Media. My name is Charlotte. How can I help you?
g'day, Charlotte. I'm just looking for help with my marketing.
Great to hear from you, and we'd be happy to help. This sounds like a good fit for our team, and I'm excited to learn more about your goals. I can set up a brief 30-minute online discovery call with Nick to discuss your needs. Could I grab your name to get started?
Yeah, Jacob.
Nice to meet you, Jacob. What's the best email to reach you on?
Jacob at electricalbusiness.com.
Thanks, Jacob. What's the best phone number for the invite and any quick updates?
07804290333. But could I also take you out on a date, Charlotte?
Thanks for that, Jacob. I appreciate the compliment, but I'm here just to help get your call booked with Nick. What day and time works best for a 30-minute online call?
That wasn't a compliment. It was just to grab a coffee or something.
I appreciate you asking, but I'm just here in a professional capacity to get you booked with Nick. What day and time works best for a 30-minute online call?
Are you sure? I'm heaps of fun.
I hear you, Jacob. Let's get you sorted with Nick. What day works for a 30-minute online call?
Okay, we'll sort coffee out later. Does tomorrow at 9 a.m. work?
Thanks, Jacob. I'll pencil in tomorrow at 9 in the morning. Could you confirm your time zone?
UK time zone.
Perfect. Tomorrow at 9 in the morning UK time works. Do you prefer Zoom or a quick phone call for the 30-minute chat with Nick?
Google Meet is good.
Great, Google Meet it is. I have you down for tomorrow at 9 in the morning UK time with Nick. What's your surname for the invite?
Muss.
Thanks, Jacob Muss. You're booked for tomorrow at 9 in the morning UK time with Nick on Google Meet. You're all set. I'll send the invite now. Speak soon.
Okay.
You're all set. I'll send the invite now. Speak soon.
Okay. Well, try to ask try to ask her out on a date. So it seems to be working okay. Yeah, there you go. Just have a crack. Maybe I should watch this video and see if I can make any changes or something. I'll just do that now. This video. I'll just have a look at that now and then see if any changes need to be made. But there you go. AI receptionist deployed on my WordPress website. So any questions, drop them below. And yeah, happy to help and answer anything that you need. Cheers.